So the content bank is a strategic asset that your team creates over time. And it's a strategic asset of content which Agent Craft can call upon to produce great content on an ongoing basis. And this comes from your team's contributions through voice notes. So the way the system works is that as you go through executing campaigns, your team gets prompts and they respond using voice notes in their mobile app. And the voice notes are very quick to do. They take 40 seconds to 2 minutes, and they're just answers to a short prompt that anybody can answer. So for example, it might ask you, head of customer service, about a customer story, and the customer service just hits record, does that short voice note, talks about the customer story in whatever way they like, and out comes an amazing piece of content. But in addition to the content being created, it's also going to go and extract key insights from that voice note. So if you look over here in the content bank, you can see between statistics, trend, observation, personality markers, these are all different ways of categorizing these key insights, which are called atoms, from each voice note. And over time, these atoms build up and the content bank gets richer and richer. And this is full of insightful, useful information that can be reformatted and used to put great sounding content together, which is contextually relevant to your business and will engage your audience. So as you can see, this content bank has 359 pieces in it, 106 are new this week, and this is how the breakdown is. And it has a healthy freshness score, because what you don't want is your content bank to get stale over time with old data. So you want your team to continue to contribute to it, and the newer stuff will be used and the older stuff will be gracefully retired. Here you can see how the voice notes are coming in from different team members, and here you can see some examples of insights and information that it's pulled from voice notes. It's not only voice notes, it gets input from other places too. One key way is to provide inputs is to upload a document. So let's say, for example, you have a white paper, or you have a piece of marketing material, or anything that's relevant to your business. You can just upload that document, it'll get processed just like a voice note, and it'll extract its key insights and structured data and categorize them into the content bank for reuse. So that's another way. A third way is research it does itself. So for example, if you say, I'm in this particular industry, perhaps I'm in car sales, for example, and I sell this type of car, it'll go out and it'll research that industry specifically and look for industry reports or any insight that it can gather that it can leverage in content production as well. So it does a really thorough job of understanding your business, as well as extracting value from the key insights that your executives provide, building up this content bank, which, as I said, is a strategic asset that you can use over time to produce ongoing high quality content for all of these different channels.